What is BC and AD? Many countries use the Christian calendar. In this calendar, year 1 is the year when Jesus Christ was born. AD means Anno Domini. These are Latin words for in the year of our Lord. AD 50 means 50 years after the birth of Christ. But we also want to count years before Christ was born. We therefore count years back from year 1. Time before Christ was born is called BC, means before Christ. If you were born in 100 BC and lived for 70 years, you died in 30 BC. If you were born in AD 30 and lived 70 years, you died in AD 100. Thank you.